Want that 5-star resort but only have a 2-star budget today? This year you don't have to wait for payday to book your getaway. And today I'm showing you how to link Afterpay to booking.com so you can just lock those early bird rates and pay over time. Let's get your bags packed. And firstly, you can search for your stay as usual. When you get to the final details page, look under the payment information section. In many regions now, you'll see Afterpay listed directly alongside credit cards and PayPal. Simply select it, log into your Afterpay account when the window pops up, and confirm your first installment. And then you're done in seconds. If you don't see the Afterpay button, don't panic. There's a workaround. So for this, open the Afterpay app on your phone. Search for booking.com in their in-app browser. Then the trick, click the Pay with Afterpay card button at the top of the screen. Afterpay will generate a one-time virtual credit card. Go back to booking.com, select credit or debit card as your payment method, and then paste in those virtual card details. And booking.com sees it as a full payment, but Afterpay handles the installments for you. And your booking is confirmed and your first payment is handled. Just remember to check if your stay is non-refundable before you commit. If this travel hack helped you book your dream trip today, smash that like button and subscribe.